All right, LJ, you ready to go tubing?
Yep.
Thumbs up. All right, let's go tubing. Jump in, mommy.
Hold on, there's a rock there. We're gonna get stuck on it.
All right, wish us luck.
Ready?
All right, let's go. All right,
Mom,
we're tubing.
Mom,
Yeah, I gotta stay up so I can try and...
Don't fall out.
Mom, good.
I need to be able to push us off.
Woo, we're tubing, guys. The bugs are biting. We're on the tube going down the river.
Ashley's following us.
Hey, LJ, smile at the camera. Look at the camera, buddy. Woo, we're going down the river.
Yeah, I'm trying to steer us.
See you later. Lazy river. Hey, LJ, look at the camera. Wave. Are you having fun? Here we go, down the lazy river. Here we go. We're not stuck, we're just cruising slow.
Moving slowly. This part's slow. And then it gets fast.
Slow and then really fast.
And then we crash.
This part's kind of deep. I can't feel the bottom.
Then, Mama, when we get to our home, that will be our lazy river too, right?
Oh, you can see the moon too.
Right, Mom?
It's a nice cruise, after dinner cruise. And the farmer's fields up there. Here we go.
Fast river.
This is where it gets a little fast. Gotta hold on. We're doing good. We're going down the river. You can see our house now. Oh, it's getting crazy here. Woo!
Can we go again?
No.
This one, right? This one's okay? This one's okay?
Oh, we're doing a spinny spinny. Oh, here it comes. Whoa, whoa, woo!
Oh, here comes
Oh.
the tree.
No.
Things up, baby. Got to push off the tree.
We're doing it! We're doing it again! I didn't
There we go. Down the crazy mad river. Whoa, there goes my butt.
Good thing I'm sitting in the meadow.
We're spinning around again. I don't know where I am. LJ, are you having fun?
Yeah.
It slows down again on this rock.
Uh-oh. We're about to hit some rocks.
Which way are we going?
Oh, we're going this way. Spinning around and around. Are we spinning around and around?
Oh, the trees!
Okay, we gotta walk it across.
Are we back to shore?
We made it! Woohoo! We conquered the river. We made it, LJ.
2 times.
Our house is just over there.